wait before you skip this, because I want to share something that's genuinely been a game changer for my daily routine, and it's so simple, the gelatin trick. I've noticed that when I start my day with this little ritual, I feel more grounded and my energy levels are way more balanced. It's like my body and mind are working in harmony, you know? The gelatin trick is all about incorporating this one ingredient into your morning, and it's amazing how it can impact your mood and overall sense of well-being. My friend recently started doing the gelatin trick, and she reported back to me that she's experiencing fewer mood swings and a more consistent flow of energy throughout the day. I think what's really key here is that the gelatin trick helps your body regulate its natural rhythms, so you're not feeling those crazy highs and lows. When you make the gelatin trick a part of your daily habit, you start to wake up feeling more refreshed and centered. To dive deeper into how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description below for more details. I've also pinned a comment with some additional tips, so be sure to take a look. Give the gelatin trick a try and see how it can positively impact your energy and mood balance. You might be really surprised.